Hey gardeners, tired of battling pests in your garden? Spending time, energy, and money on chemicals that don't even guarantee results? What if I told you there's an easier, more natural way to handle pests without lifting a finger? Today, we're talking about natural gardening methods that will help you keep pests away while you sit back and let nature do the work. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what natural gardening actually is. At its core, it's a gardening approach that lets nature handle pests, diseases, and growth cycles without a lot of interference. This means no harsh pesticides, no synthetic fertilizers, and minimal human intervention. You create a balanced ecosystem in your garden that works all by itself. Natural gardening is a game changer when it comes to handling pests. Here's why. By fostering a balanced ecosystem, your garden becomes a habitat for beneficial insects like ladybugs, lacewings, and ground beetles, which are natural predators to many garden pests. Not only that, but birds, frogs, and other animals will help keep pest populations under control. This means less work for you, and a more sustainable, healthy environment. So, how do we encourage natural pest control in our gardens? Here are some key principles you can use. Diverse planting. A garden with various plants is more resilient. Pests are less likely to overrun your garden when they don't have a single abundant food source. Try interplanting vegetables, herbs, and flowers. Beneficial insects. Introduce plants like dill, fennel, and marigolds to attract ladybugs, lacewings, and parasitic wasps, which love to munch on aphids, caterpillars, and other pests. Healthy soil. Focus on nourishing your soil with compost and organic matter. Healthy soil grows strong plants that can naturally resist diseases and pests. Companion planting. Pairing plants like tomatoes with basil or carrots with onions can help repel pests. Companion plants work together to keep bugs away. Here's the best part. Once you set up these natural pest control systems, you can relax and let nature do its thing. By choosing the right plants, avoiding harmful chemicals, and encouraging beneficial insects, your garden takes on a life of its own. It's gardening the lazy way and the best way. Not only will you save time and effort, but you'll also enjoy fresh, chemical-free produce. Now, some people think natural gardening means dealing with tons of bugs or sacrificing your crops. That's not true. It may take a bit of patience in the beginning, but once the ecosystem is established, your plants will thrive. It's all about creating a balance. Ready to start natural gardening? Here are a few quick tips to get you going. Start with native plants. They attract local beneficial insects and are usually more pest-resistant. Make use of mulch. Mulch keeps soil moist, prevents weeds, and deters some pests. Rotate your crops. Planting different crops each season reduces the chance of pest buildup. Welcome diversity. Include flowers and herbs alongside your vegetables to attract pollinators and predator insects. So there you have it. With these natural gardening techniques, you can keep pests away and grow a beautiful, thriving garden with little effort. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening wisdom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.